In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Thumbnails are the billboards of your video. A strong one can dramatically boost clicks. We'll keep this simple and clean so you can get a professional result in just a few minutes. Start by opening canva.com and logging in. A free account is perfectly fine for this project. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top and type YouTube thumbnail. Choose a template that matches the tone of your video, bold for entertainment, minimal for educational, or colorful for lifestyle. These templates are already sized correctly for YouTube, so you won't have to worry about dimensions. Next, bring in your main photo. On the left menu, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your image. Drag it onto the design. Resize by dragging the corners and position it so your subject is clear and visible. If your photo has a busy background, consider placing it off-center to leave space for text. Now, add your headline. Go to Text on the left, choose Add a heading, and type your thumbnail title. Keep it short and punchy. Think of the thumbnail as a teaser, not a transcript. Place the text where it doesn't cover important parts of the photo. Time to customize. Use the top toolbar to adjust the font, colors, and size. A bold, sans serif font is typically easier to read at small sizes. Choose high contrast colors so your text stands out against the background. Light text on dark areas or dark text on light areas. Increase the font size generously. Thumbnails are viewed small on mobile screens. If you want extra pop, try effects to add a subtle drop shadow or outline to your text. This can dramatically improve readability without making the design look heavy. Enhance the background with simple elements. Click Elements on the left and add shapes, gradients, or outlines behind your text. A soft rectangle with reduced transparency can create contrast without clutter. Lines or subtle gradients can guide the viewer's eye and create depth. Keep everything clean and focused. Use big text, a clear photo, and a simple layout. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts and a tight color palette. Leave a bit of breathing room around your text and subject so nothing feels cramped. When you're happy with the result, click Share in the top right corner, then Download, and choose PNG for crisp quality. That's it. You've designed a scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnail in Canva, ready to upload to your video.